What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. And finally, this is the first video that it has a content. So I'm going to talk about top apps for editing. You can use it on your phone. And I'm not going to talk about every single app. I'm just going to talk about a specific feature in every single app that we have today. Without much talk, let's get right into it. So for the first app that we have today is called CapCut. CapCut has a feature that allow you to make your photo into 3D. Let's see how. You go to the app, press new project, select your photo and press add. Then go to the edit, scale down and you will see the style. Press on it and go to 3D zoom. Press it and let it processing. Let's see the result. Okay. The app says it's done. The app says it's done. So let's see the result together. Press OK. Press here start to see what happened. Oh my gosh. That is insane. And then you can upload it and save it and share it wherever you want. This app has a lot of features, but now I'm going to talk about one feature which is enhance, which means that it allows you to make your old photo with a high resolution. Let's see how. We go to Dream Mini and then there is an ad, so we just skip it. And then you can press on enhance. Select the photo that you want and press OK. You have to wait about 1 or 2 minutes until processing the photo. After processing, you will see an ad, just skip it, and then you will see the final result. After it's done, you will see before and after. This is before and this is after. You will see the huge difference in here. Look at that. Well done. The second feature in this app, which called Colorize. This feature allows you to make your black and white photo into a real colorized photo. Let's see how. We click on Colorize here. We choose the photo that we choose it first and we haze it. Press on it and hit OK. And let's wait here. After processing the photo, we will see the before and after colorize. So this is before and this is after. Look at that. It's incredible. Just save it. And post it wherever you want. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.